Hello. What's good? Hi, we're on top of a tree right now, like you can see. Okay, it's a beautiful tree.
Because Edward helped us.
Edward Cullen helped us get on the tree. Yeah. Okay, well, we're kind of bored over here, so we're going to try to do some things.
And we have some friends right back there.
Yeah, want to go see him? One's so cute. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. I'm talking about the wood.
Yeah.
Through the woods from school. Oh, that's my bike. Right there, isn't that cool? Look at it. Emily's dropping at the tree. Okay, let's go. Let's go right now. This is a beautiful, beautiful life. Nature. Because we see and we're singing and we coming and sing to say all the colors of this wonderful girl. Like me, like me, like me. I feel stunning. I feel stunning.
That doesn't
so
make
stunning
sense.
and wanting to say. Look at all the pretty leaves. What's my shoes? Converses or Airwalk Converses? She's got Airwalk Converses, buddy. Get away from me! They're playing horseshoes right now. Awesome. Awesome, dude. That's the cute one.
Good for a point?
What does that say? What are you doing? Hey, you're mean!
Yeah, once you pick that pit, you pick the game.
It reminds me of Varys.
Oh, don't flip me off. That was not pleasant.
It's Rose.
It's the fire, so it's the fire. Okay, this is going on YouTube, so see.
Yeah, we'll put this on YouTube.
We're putting this on YouTube. We have a web show.
Maybe too much of an arc.
Let's get what he did. It went too fast. You can't see the horseshoe.
Always.
Now let's get her done. Get her done. No, hey. Okay, now you film. Okay. Hey, Dad.
Ew. You've seen him many times.
Yeah, he came in on the hot and cold video.
Daddy, come back.
Woodrow.
Daddy.
So many beers. Just 3 people, of course.
4.
No, you're good for 18 right there, right?
Hey, Daddy. Say hi. They know you. These people slightly know him.
Catch.
Say hi.
That's going on YouTube. Okay, can you zoom out now?
Yeah. I can zoom out myself.
Oh, man.
See it? See it? That's Manny. Say hi.
You killed me. Yeah. Once you freaking took the pit. Woo!
That's Manny's bike.
That was it. What a good game, man.
Da 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 da. I zoomed it.
Dude, it's springtime, and it feels like it too. Even though her hands look like they have the hypothermia.
Okay, well, let's finish up this video. Let's go run over here and see this pile of rocks. It's beautiful.
We are here
beautiful,
to say
beautiful.
goodbye.
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 Goodbye. Very late, so watch it now.
Yeah.